If I was starting over learning LeetCode, what would I do differently? Well, I can tell you the first thing I would do differently. I wouldn't just stare at one problem and try to solve it for 4 hours. When I first started, that's the approach I took. I thought, if I'm smart enough, I should be able to figure this problem out. If I'm a good enough programmer, if I know enough code, I should be able to solve this problem if I just stare at it and work at it and try over and over and over again. And right now, I'll tell you, that is the stupidest advice. At least for me, it was stupid. Maybe it works for other people, but for me, completely ineffective methodology. What's the right approach? Try it for 15 minutes. If I don't have any idea how to solve it, look into the background of the data structure behind it if it's clear. Read about that, learn about it. Maybe that alone teaches me how to solve it. If that's not enough, go to the submissions from the community, read a couple different ones and look at different approaches and try to figure out why those work and then apply that to my own solution. Not just copy a solution from someone else, but actually understand every single line of code and then do it. That's probably the most important thing I would do. Another thing I would do differently, and I think that would make a big difference, is I would have actually started studying data structures and algorithms earlier in the process. I focused a lot on language study, learning the programming language, and learning how to build projects, which was really important. I needed that. But I would have taken, 20 minutes, 30 minutes to study a little bit about binary trees or linked lists or graphs. And I feel like that would have made it easier later when I went to start studying and learning solving easy problems. Another thing I would do differently is I wouldn't even try to solve medium problems at all until I had the foundation of all the main data structures and algorithms. I just wouldn't even try it because it's so frustrating to try to solve a medium problem. So frustrating to see one edge case fail after thousands of test cases. It's so frustrating to see that out of memory error or whatever error it is because it's just a little bit more complicated than I'm comfortable with, or it's way more complicated than I'm comfortable with. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you are studying LeetCode right now, hang in there, get a good plan together. I have some other videos on LeetCode, check those out as well. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video, leave some comments. I'll leave some helpful links in the description, and thanks for watching.